Hello everyone. About a week ago, I saw a video from YouTube. A man called the Dubai expat. He shared a video of he come to Shanghai and want to buy some watches, but unfortunately, he bought 3 watches, but I think they are not the best version. So I wanna share you some my daily watch. Yeah, they are all Chinese version. Okay, so let's talk about the watch now. This one is Rolex Submariner. I have wearing it for 3 years, so you can see some marks in here. I'm not very careful, but it's the real, how to say, sorry, it's the realistic, yeah. This watch is VS factory, the biggest factory in China now. So the detail is very good. You can see the window. You can see the window. Yeah. The zoom in and zoom out, very good. And this white dot is like milk white, and a little bit transparent. It's not pure white. Yeah. And the inside circle it have the Rolex mark. And the band, how to say, the stamps, yeah. It's also good. I have wearing it for 3 years, so you can see this, but the quality is very good. Okay. And this one, it's AP. It's 26240, maybe. Yeah, and it's blue. You can see the bevel is very good. And this watch I wear it for 1 year. The details is very good. And in some angle you can see the sunburst, like the sunburst pattern. Yeah. If not the best version, you can see the radical pattern. It's like more like plastic. Okay, it's very good. It's the factory is APS. It's a factory only do the AP. Yeah, they only have AP. and the back. You can see the back details. If you can't see clear, maybe next time I will shoot in a macro lens so you can see more details in the back. Okay, this my two watches I daily wear. I'm not a watch dealer and I'm not a seller. I'm just a player like you. In several years, maybe 10 years, I have bought 40 watches and yeah, I have many experience to how to find the best watch in China. Some foreigner, they want to go to China, maybe Guangzhou or Shenzhen or Shanghai. Shanghai is not Shanghai and Beijing. They are not a good city for this. So if you want to buy them, you should go to Guangzhou. But yeah, if they realize you are a foreigner, they will try to scam you. And sometimes they selling you a they selling you a 500 or 1,000 price dollars watch to you, but they give you a 50 low quality stuff. Yeah. So always you can't find the best version. Now I will tell you two things. One is factories like Clean or VS. These factories never sell watches to individuals. So if someone claims they are people from their worker in factories, it's not real. They are lying. And yeah. And the second thing is if they recognize you are a foreigner, they will lie to you to give you a bad version. Yeah, okay. So if you wanna buy this good stuff, you can contact me. You can send messages. You can find me here in Instagram. My name is Chinese Watchman, same as the YouTube. Yeah. Or you leave a comment or give me a like. Thank you.